we're going to be looking at, we can implement this as the margin over here, which is a really pretty car, and the image should be in the folder, or you can find your own images, that doesn't really matter, but we're going to be using this and implementing it in the green box over here. Since we already have the green box, we just need to go, and that is the aside, I know because I'm awesome. We're just going to look at it in a CSS, and we're going to start using the CSS way of implementing an image, and we already done that once, so we can do it really fast. So background image, URL, enter, $apostrophes, end it, and the image was in the folder, and it was called aston_martin.jpg, like so. We also need to make sure it doesn't repeat itself, so quickly do that, no repeat, and we are going to use the background size, where'd it go, cover, so we make sure that nothing is left for imagination. So let's try and see what happens here. So now, by you adding these 3 lines of having the image, of course, we added this Aston Martin to this page over here. And we're kind of, okay, this image up here, I don't know why, but I changed the color to some sort of gold, probably because that's the color in Formula 1. But they are, oh, the padding here, we forgot this, I forgot all about this. So we're just quickly going to add this in our code. So locate your media footer, that one, and we're just going to add a padding to this. So padding 5 pixels, save. That's all we need. So now it goes down. So now we have our design completed from almost nothing, and we nested grids inside grids, which we nested even more grids inside to build these things here. And we're still using a grid system. So in our case we used a 6 grid, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grid. So we have 6 columns down. We could add up to 12 or whatever you want. You just need to remember to try and structure your design so they fit into these blocks, because now we can really easily start moving them around. So this would be our main up here, and we can actually start changing them around. Whoa! Let's see what happens. I actually haven't, this is completely testing, I haven't tried any of this yet. So you see, now we can just start changing the structure of our page by just adding small changes to this. So we just want the Aston Martin to be even smaller, because stupid car, and this more. So we can really easily start structuring things here now by using this grid template area, or even making spaces if you don't want anything to be shown. So this will now be blank. Woo! And we can also make this one down blank. So just by doing these small things and building everything with grid, we can start making really weird designs if we want to. But that's really the power. Whoa, that was, I forgot to do something somewhere. I added that one there. So we can, as you can see, it's really easy to both use this as a building tool, but also if we build it correctly, we can start using it as a really simple way of doing prototypes for pages to see if, what do you like this? No, but how about if we do this? This kind of, I kind of destroyed everything here, but it doesn't really matter because it's still awesome. But what you need to think about or use going forward is having these grid systems. We can do a lot of things really easy and really fast and really clean. So that's it for these lessons today.